Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on with our process of the easiest way to make money on Clickbank that I currently know of, and what a lot of people are doing right now, using my lead gen secrets. Now, the recommended amount of accounts is 5, right? But we're just using one account on this test and experiment here, and because I'm using my other accounts for different things. But what you want to do, you want to sign in, get your account. If you don't know about My Lead Gen Secrets, My Lead Gen Secrets is a system that gives you it gives you 100 leads every single day that you can constantly mail every day. And if you get a sale with My Lead Gen Secrets, you get bonus leads, which is 200 leads a day. And that's why you want to make 2 accounts. When you make 2 accounts or more, you want to become an affiliate for yourself so you can get the bonus leads for that first account and daisy chain onto that like that, and get a ton of sales. So anyway, let's continue on here. You can mail people every single day with My Lead Gen Secrets, and it's just the simplest way to make money on Clickbank. Just the simplest way. All right, so we're gonna go to Clickbank here. I'm gonna have a link in the description for all of this. Once you click on Clickbank here, it's very easy to sign into. Ask anyone. You just put in your name and all that information, what you want it to be paid to, all that good stuff, and you're already in. It's very simple to do. All right, so once you get in, you click on Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, you click on e-business and e-marketing. Now you can get sales with employment and jobs as well. These two I would focus on here because they focus on making money online. Making money online. These are the two you want to go with. You can get sales with others as well. Very simply, you can get sales with them 100%, but you will get sales with e-biz and e-marketing for sure. Because like I stated before, these are human people, so they might be interested in other stuff as well, but you definitely get sales. They enter My Lead Gen Secrets to learn how to make money online. So that's what we're gonna do here. So we've been going with this product for a while now. I want to test another product. I know this product works for sure, and I want this product to work for sure as well, but I have not tested while doing this right here, doing this experiment here, but I believe it works really well as well. So we're gonna go with this one this time here, because they both very similar. But I would focus on this one first because it's the best performing for a reason. So we're gonna go with this one and try this one out. All right, so first let's click on affiliate page here. We need to find an email, a solid email. So we're gonna click on email swipes right here. Email number 1, $30 per photo you take. Is that a good title? You know what? Let's go with this one. Let's go back to this one. I'm super confident in this one getting sales. I don't know about the other one. So we're gonna stick to this one here. Let's see here. Confirm your application. We promote job for people. I think I just sent that one. So we're gonna go back up here. Yeah. $9.50 a week. A YouTuber wants to hire you. Name. That will pick. That's a good title. I might have already sent something similar, but it doesn't matter. We'll go with this one. All right. So the email, honestly, the email doesn't matter that much. It's simply a numbers game, and you'll get sales eventually once you get enough people. Let's pick like $9.50. They should have put that at the front there. Something like how much you can make. YouTuber wants to hire you. Let's capitalize that. All right, so we're gonna stick to that right there. That's a good title. So let's find the rest of the page here. Blah blah blah. Copy this email. Put it here. Go. Signature. Pick. Name. For name, we're gonna pick. Oh, you see country here. Just pick your area. Honestly, you probably could just leave country there. You'll probably still get sales. Cause like I said, it's a numbers game. That's not gonna deter somebody from not buying. Would you, if you saw that, would that change your mind on, if you're interested in buying it? If you're interested in the product itself, making money on YouTube, you're not gonna care about if they got their codes right in the email. I don't think. But either way, man, you just change that like that. It's 10 and 12 hours. You can make $900. That's pretty awesome. If you're interested in the product itself, I'll leave a link in the description for people who are interested in the product. Okay, so we want to get our email here. Email GS1 right here. Okay. Let's hit this blue line. All right, so we're gonna go this here, fit this in like this. Boom, boom. Email is good. It looks nice. But make sure to click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does is sends the email around the time they usually open emails. So it'll show up at the top of the list, and you got a bigger chance of them checking it out. So we're gonna hit preview here and make sure the link works. It works. Okay. After that, you're gonna hit send email. Boom, done. Diddly. Got it finished, and that's all you really need to do. Now, what I'm gonna do now is let's go to the Facebook group. I want to show you guys the Facebook group here. My lead gen secret Facebook group here. It's a lot of people doing the same thing, making money off it right here. But they only using one account. Remember that. They only using one account. Right here, go one. He only got one account. And this is how his sales are looking. I just want to show you that other people are making money with this as well. And yeah, it's people making money off of this. I see something over here. Somebody's starting to get sales. They slowly getting sales here. As they get more and more people, you see that, right? The price is going up and more like that. They ain't getting much, but they're getting sales, and it's slowly growing there. And all of them are doing the same thing. They're doing what I'm teaching you how to do right now. Copy paste emails in for Clickbank, and most of them are using social media jobs as well. The one that I'm sending you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys that, to show you that other people are making money online as well with this product, and using my lead gen secrets here. A bunch of people are doing it, and yeah, that's it. That's all I really wanted to show you. One more thing. There's a product called Savings Highway Global. You could start your own business with just $20. I have a link in the description. That will work better than Clickbank. That will work better than Clickbank because every sale will equal a particular amount of money. Every sale will equal a particular amount of money every month. So it's a big deal to get a sale on it. Not that much of a deal. When you get sales on Clickbank, you're not getting paid every month recurring. For the most part, maybe if they pick a certain product while you get the sale, but every single sale you get in this is recurring, and long as they stay in the system. And Saving Highway Global is about saving a ton of money when you use the system, so there's no reason for them to leave. All right, so yeah, that's all I had to state. And yeah, guys, I wish you all the best of luck. Hopefully this is working for you guys. I can't promise anything, of course. That wouldn't be right, but I make money on this. A lot of people making money with this. And it's getting bigger and bigger. More and more people are doing this, and you know how that works. More and more people do this. The later you are, the less money you make with it. So hop on that Saving Howard Global as well. We got 500 members now. When I started this YouTube channel, we only had 200. Only had 200 members. Now we got 500. It ain't even been a month yet. We already at 500. And the sooner you get in, the more money you can make. All right, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.